In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate collections in Shopify. This is really handy when you already have a collection set up the way you like and you want to reuse the same structure, settings, or layout without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation menu, and it's where you'll find almost everything you need to manage your store. Find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, it will expand and show you more options underneath. From those options, select Collections. After clicking Collections, you'll be taken to a page that lists all of the collections currently in your store. This list might be short if your store is new, or quite long if you've been running it for a while. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific collection you want to duplicate. It might help to use the search bar at the top if you have many collections and you know the name of the one you're looking for. Once you've found the collection you want to copy, click on its name. This will open the collection editor page. Here you'll see all the details related to that collection: the title, description, image, conditions, and any other settings you've configured. This is essentially the blueprint that we're going to duplicate. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of this collection editor page. You should see a button labeled Duplicate. Click on that button to start the duplication process. Shopify will now create a copy of the collection you're currently viewing. You don't need to do anything else at this moment. Just wait a few seconds for the page to reload. Once the page has finished loading, you should see a confirmation message at the top of the screen, letting you know that a copy of the collection has been created successfully. The new collection will usually have a similar name to the original, often with the word copy added, so you can easily identify it. From here, you can rename the duplicated collection, adjust any details you want to change, and then save your edits. That's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a collection in Shopify, which can save you time and help you keep your store organized and consistent.